The biologic approach in medicine is about terrain restoration. So really in the biologic approach, we're looking at the body as though it's a landscape and kind of surveying the entire body from head to toe to pinpoint areas where there may be, let's say, foci of infection or any kind of symptoms located in that area. And then we utilize the products from the optimal products or the optimal Ayurveda line to target healing in the areas where there may be any kind of disruption, imbalance, disease. It's a frequent question in this day and age when you're talking about gut health to focus on probiotics. And probiotics are actually a very helpful and useful tool when it comes to gut health and the microbiome, including the oral microbiome. However, it's not always the thing that's needed for a patient at any given time. So we also have a product within the optimal Ayurveda line called GI Balance, which is going to address more of symptomatology of gastrointestinal distress, bloating, these kinds of symptoms. And sometimes you need to select a product that's going to be like a broad spectrum antimicrobial formula and then follow it up with prebiotics and probiotics at a different time in the treatment plan. So we hear a lot of things when we're talking about supplements these days. You know, we might be seeing things on social media, on media in general, about vitamins, minerals, the right things to take, as though it's a one-size-fits-all approach. And depending on the condition and to support the overall health and balance with biologic medicine to the microbiome of different areas, it's really important to get patient-specific. To find out more about naturopathic medicine and biologic medicine, you can learn about us on our website, rejuvenationhealth.com, and you can contact me, Dr. Tia Trevisano, here at Rejuvenation Health. You can also follow us on Instagram.